So we're here in Juneau today. What a wonderful day. As you can see, the sun is out bright. No rain, no wind. Got here about 9:30. They started letting people off the ship. And we're here till 9 o'clock tonight, which is one of the great things about going on an Alaska cruise. You get an opportunity to really spend the day, have lunch, maybe even have dinner before you get back on the ship. So goal today is to make my way out to the Mendenhall Glacier, which I'm going to do here in just a second. I'm going to head over to the bus station and we'll show you how to get out to Mendenhall. Did this last year with Randy and Deb and with Tammy and I. So come along for the journey. Thanks for watching Harbor to Happy Hour. So it took us about 45 minutes to get from downtown to here, and we're walking out right now to the glacier. So here we go. Bus 4 from downtown. It wasn't direct, but we got here.
Hi, welcome to Harbor to Happy Hour. Tammy and I travel the world getting off at cruise ports to see and have some of the most wonderful adventures. We look forward to you joining us as we cruise the world. Please subscribe and like. Turn on the notification bell. Let's get started with our next great adventure.
As we come around the corner, you'll see back there where those lights are in the distance, that's where we came. We've been walking for about a mile here. As you come around the corner, you're gonna see the glacier. There'll be a parking lot up on your left. Just stay here on the right and keep going. So beautiful views today. Thanks for joining us. Here's the parking area just on the left as we come in. The park is over here on the right. You can see the flags coming in. But there's the parking area where they drop off. If you're going to come in on an Uber or a shuttle, a lot of times this is where they'll drop you off at. So it's almost there.
So we're here at Mendenhall Glacier. Just walked in. Took us about an hour and 20 minutes. Bus ride, walk included, about a mile and a half walk. See the glacier in the background, and I'll zoom in on seeing the glacier. And you can see the rock walls around it where the ices went back from. This is the lake that glacier actually drains into. And you can see the tree line where actually it's over time, trees have had a chance to start growing next to the glacier. Absolutely beautiful day here. No rain, no wind. Great little adventure heading out here. So walking along the trail here, it's about a mile walk to Nugget Falls. After you leave the station, the National Forest Park offices, crossing over some bridges here, headed in. It's a nice paved path going back here, but it's absolutely beautiful. Let me show you some of the views we're getting as we're walking through. As you can see, the path is well paved here. You're not going to lose your way. You're not going up and down trails that will lead you. But we're starting to see the waterfall now in the background. pretty cool stuff. So you can see out in the background is where the National Forest office is in the background here. And there's a lake that the falls comes into, and where the glacier in the background over here actually will drain into. And you can see those rock walls where there's no trees, no underbrush, just solid rock where nothing can be growing right now. And then here in the background is going to be the falls. Pretty spectacular day. So I don't know if you can hear me, but I'm standing right next to the falls. How much ice and snow has to melt for that to happen? Isn't that amazing? Absolutely stunning. So if you like this content, check out this video right here. It's more about Alaska, a wonderful place to visit. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit this little button here. Subscribe to Harvard Happy Hour.